What?
Either way.
How you doing?
Fine, how are you doing?
Alright, just not used to staying up late anymore.
I know.
I gotta work tomorrow too.
Oh my gosh, what time?
3 to midnight.
Where, Bob Evans?
Walmart.
Walmart, that's right.
Yeah.
Did you ever work at Bob Evans?
I tried to get a job there. I'm up there. I used to be up there all the time. I tried to get a job up there, but my mom wouldn't let me. Like, the manager was going to hire me and everything, but then mom was kind of like, you know, she's like, I don't want to get a job up there because if somebody ever said anything to me, she'd get fired because she's my mom. She's going to defend me.
Yeah.
And things are kind of dirty up there sometimes. People don't treat people right. They can't even get on there. And the manager was going to hire me, but mom was like, don't hire him.
Well, that's okay. You're right.
Yeah.
Girls, ready!
Get on the hump!
Time's gonna start ticking.
They can't even get up there. I'm gonna go.
She was like caught underneath the metal.
Your time. You're looking up. Yes. Okay, hold on. I want your feet to be caught in there.
Pointless.
Oh my God. That was so much fun.
You didn't do anything.
Yes, we did. Yeah,